Ayan na, pati si Dondon gumawa na ng backup girls outfit.
Mas maganda.
Mas maganda kaysa sa ginawa ng tatlo. Yabang Part 4! More of day 4. Kasi parang naging daily vlog na siya. Part 4 of Panagbenga costume making journey. Budget-friendly version. So, yun na. Tanghali na kasi. I woke up at 5 in the morning. I wasn't able to take a video of that. And I already started working on the dress. Tapos, ayun na nga, may pinatuyo na ako doon. Makikita niyo naman na, ano siya, may mga pins pa siya. Napuno ko na siya. What I'm doing right now is, syempre, may pinagdugtungan siya. Ayan, kasi bubuka yan kapag gumalaw-galaw siya. So, I had to do double-sided tapes on those para maidugtong sila. So, this is me right now. After this, I'm gonna put the bones para maging stronger at para mabuhat niya. Ito, galing to sa ano namin, sa kulambu namin. Kinuha ko to doon. Ayun yung kulambu namin. Ayan. Yan sa tabi ni Wiska. Yung pink and white na yan. Yan yung pinagkuhanan ko neto. Kasi hindi naman namin ginagamit yung kulambu. Ayun. Ito na yung ilalagay ko dun sa bottom part ng gown niya. Ayan. Ayang nasa taas na yan. Yan ay nasa loob. We also found a solution on the issue with all people performing having to have a costume. Okay? So, kasi yung ano natin, yung props team natin, they have a part there dapat para makita ng teacher na meron silang ginawa. Although, we have evidence na tumulong sila yung gumawa ng mga props. Pero gusto talaga makita ng teacher na nag-perform sila with the dance and all that, kahit konting part lang. So, ang ginawa namin, sabi ko, di ba sila yung, may part doon kasi na kinulong nila yung queen gamit yung mga sticks. Sabi ko, di sila na lang yung parang bad spirit that brings about pestilence and stopping the harvest. Ganon. Naka-all black pa rin sila and I can make them a mask. Yung madaling, ano lang, madaling gawang mask lang, ganon. So, they'll look like the dark spirits that are preventing the good harvest. Kasi parang ano yun parang ang skit nila is like the good wins and then it brings about good harvest and abundance. Parang ganun yung skit nila, yung summary niya. Anyways, yan. So, nadagdagan ng task natin. Gagawa ako ng easy peasy mask para sa 4 na backup. I-improve ko pa yung banner kasi kailangan pa yung lagyan ng mga dahon na design and mga flat na flowers. Kasi sobrang plain nung banner. Gagawin ko pa yung top nung queen. Okay, time lapse. Always lost about something. Who knows if I can find a track that could lead me back. Ito na nga. Ito na siya. Let me show you. Ayusin ko na. Ito na nga. Ito na yung bottom part ng gown. Nabuo na. Tapos, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng talik dito. Para itatali na lang nung dito. Sa bewang. I'll find a way for that to be solved. But at this point, goods na tayo. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng bones. Kasi, prone siya na maapakan. Especially pag naka-high heels yung magsusuot. Delikado to. Mas maliit siya sa akin. So, like, mas maliit siya sa akin ng, ganyan siguro sa kanya to. Next plan is, i-fold Itong telang to. Papasok. So, let me get it to you closer. So, i-fold siya papasok. Tapos, tatahiin ko siya. Tapos, meron ako ditong yung tali sa iPad case ko na hindi ko ginagamit. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko.
Those days when we were happy, we said we would never give up. I feel so lost and confused. Tell me why we have to hit the ground when it's easier to...
Update na lagay ko na yung mga bones. Tapos, ngayon, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng likod. I mean, yung ilalim niya, lalagyan ko ng cartolina para tumibay. So, ito na yung mga bones na ilagay ko na sila. Hindi siya madali. Tagalan ako. Tapos, dinugtong-dugtong ko sila gamit ang brick foam. Mas madali kasi didikit na lang. Dahil nga, syempre, considering na isang beses lang gagamitin, pwede na yung ganito. At saka, ito yung available materials na meron ako at the moment. Para hindi na rin sila masyadong gumastos. Hindi na madagdagan yung charges nila. Itong mga items na to, available sa bahay. So, I'm gonna give this to them for free. Now, what I'm going to do is shape ko tong cartolina na to into petals. Para once na inangat ng queen yung kanyang gown, makikita nila na bulaklak pala talaga siya. Ganun. Yun yung effect niya. Tapos haluan ko rin siya ng orange na cartolina and green. I will show you later. But at the moment, kailangan ko na ikabit tong cartolina na to. So, I'm gonna have to cut it muna. Progress natin, nakagawa na ako ng flower under the skirt. Yan. And I'm gonna put green para sa stock. Medyo matagal nga lang siyang gawin. Kasi syempre, pinapatuyo pa yung glue and all that. Pero we're making progress. Actually, it's a fast progress. Kasi after this, I'm still gonna re-stitch the top. So, marami-rami pa akong gagawin. Pero, kapit lang. So, I'm gonna do a time-lapse while I put this.
You like I did. Now I need you to forgive me for the pain I caused you. Rain will wash away the sadness.
Update, it's already 10:11 in the evening. Tuesday. Ito na po. Nagawa na po. Lalagyan ko siya ng tali. So, yeah. So, let me show you how it would look like. Medyo na nga siya napipili. Pero, ayan. So, it would look like this, something like this. Bale, lalagyan kasi ng talit to. So, that talit. Ayan. Ayan, tapos, ito. Something like that. A few moments later. Naitali ko na. Thank you, Lord. Ayan siya. Naitahi ko na siya dyan. Buyan. Time check. It's already Wednesday. 12:05. Nagpuyat na naman ako. Puro na ako kasa. Anemic ako, no? Ang swerte nito mga batang to. Na tinulungan namin. I'm not sure if they are aware how lucky they are that someone has to do their project for them. Ito na.
Lights will guide us to a place where we can start all over now. Tell me why we have to hit the ground when it's easier to fly higher, 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 higher. Why do we have to fall back down? Hold my hand and I'll take you higher, higher,
Ayan. Natapos na din siya. Hopefully, it works properly. Tapos, ano na lang, yung top niya ulitin ko kasi. Yun, so, I'll try na simulan na ngayon kahit naantok na nga lang ako. Itutuloy ko na lang na to bukas. Ay, part 3 pa rin tayo, pero itutuloy ko na bukas. Ay, naantok na. Good night.
The morning after.
Good morning. It's 5:30. Pengi daw food. I'm gonna start continuing the queen's gown. Grabe tong crunch time na to. Okay. Okay. 5:45. Back to work. Magtatahi muna ako. Ng gown ng queen. Ang hina ng boses ko kasi ang aga-aga pa. Baka magising yung mga tao. Ayun. Magtatahi muna ako nung top. Because tinastas ko last time. Dahil hindi ako natuwa. Okay. Ito yung corset ko. Lalagyan ko lang ng tela. Yun guys. Sorry, low energy. Hindi pa ako nagkakape. Nag-iinit pa ako ng tubig. Alright, let's work.
You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. It got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time. Come a little closer. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby.
Alright, time check. 10 o'clock na and I'm already done with the top. Oh, I know it seems like parang hindi siya pantay, pero you know, what is pantay? Ayan, tada! Oh, diba? Next, kailangan kong gawin yung pangtabon dito.
Please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you.
Okay, natapos na natin yung pang-top natin. Ito na yung huling touch dun sa buong costume ng queen. So, ang mangyayari is this, ang susuotin niya muna is yung corset, the small skirt, the big skirt, and then ito yung additional waistband. Tapos, kompleto na. Headdress and all that stuff. I don't know though if she has a necklace. If wala, lalagyan na lang namin siya ng ribbon sa leeg. I think that would. Tapos na ako dun sa crepe paper gown. Hope you like this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Or if you have any questions regarding how to do your handicraft and stuff, you can always comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so you can see more of our artsy work in this artsy universe.
Nothing to prove, oh, baby, I know we got this.
Wala, matutulog ka ng ganyan.